Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Andrea premium espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking from the group head and the water tank sensor was not working. So what we have to do for the water tank, we pretty much have to reinverse the magnets and rewire the sensors to the control board. And for the tune-up, we replaced the gasket. As you can see, this one was cracked over here and it's really in bad condition. This is a brand new gasket. You can definitely see the difference in there, and also the shower screen was completely clogged. You can barely see any light coming through this. It's supposed to be like, it's really in bad condition. Definitely need to be replaced. We descaled the machine, give it over a cleanup and a couple of back flushes, and the machine now is working perfectly fine. We usually run a shot of espresso, but since we don't have the portafilter, we're just gonna show you the water flow pretty much. As you can see, really good water flow, working perfectly. And the steamer, powerful, and hot water. Okay, thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more coffee like this every day.